Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style for Jenny. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all gonna be about footwear. So today I'm gonna share top 5 must-have footwears in your collection to just up your fashion and styling game. So these are gonna be so affordable yet so good in quality. So let's get into the video without any further delay. The first must have footwear in your collection is a running or sports shoe, right? Because you can style these shoes with your jeans, with your pants, with your activewear and sportswear. So today I have Spark shoes with me right here. This is so good. I really like this navy blue with pink combination. I've been using it for 2+ years and it is so good in quality. It's so comfortable for my foot and it's so good. I've been using it for my gym and sports. Yeah, this is so good and versatile in styling. The second must have footwear in your collection is a boot shoe, guys. So I have my favorite classic black boot shoes. So these are so good in quality, so comfortable. I really like it a lot. I really like to style these boot shoes with my jeans, with my pants, with my western wears, with my knee length dresses and so on. These look so good, so versatile, and you look so stylish after wearing those boot shoes. So yeah, this one is so good if even if you don't prefer heel shoes, because these don't have much heel. Even I don't like much heels, but this is so comfortable and so good. The third must have footwear in your collection is again a shoe. It's called the slip on mule shoes. These are so good in quality, so comfort. And if you like some blingy stuff like me, then this shoe is just for you guys. It is so good, right? Yeah, I really like to pair these shoes with jeans or western wear pants and dresses, and also sometimes with lehengas, because these are so soft. The sole is so soft. It is so good in quality, as you can see. These are good even if you don't like blingy stuffs like these colors, silver or gold. You can also buy the same shoe variety in different colors. So these are available also in black or peach or sky blue and so on, because these slip-on mule shoes are so comfort even for everyday use. I really like to pair these shoes with my western outfits, and these are so good. The fourth footwear is a platform sandals, guys, because these are so versatile, so comfortable even for all day wear. So I have these platform sandals. This brand has amazing sandals. Particularly this particular variety is so good, you guys. I picked again a gold blingy stuff because I like blingy stuffs a lot. As you can see, there is not much heels over here, so it is going to be so comfortable. I prefer this gold color for my ethnic and Indo-Western outfits. So these look so good. I really like the affordability and the quality of this particular sandal. I don't know if you would believe this is under rupees 550 or 600, I guess. So these are so good. You can definitely give these a try. The last and the fifth must-have footwear in your collection is a beautiful slip-on fashion sandals. So I have this beautiful sandals with me here. Yeah, again I picked in this beige color because it's so versatile and it's gonna suit most of your outfit colors. So these are so simple, chic, and so comfortable for everyday use as well. These beautiful intricate stone designs and this velvet finish gives that beautiful aesthetic touch to my fashion game. Yeah, these look so good. I really like it. You can also check these out in various colors. There are so many colors, and these are again so affordable yet good in quality. It does not have heels, as you can see. It's flat sandals and so good for everyday use. So you can definitely check these out. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page, Style for the Journey, for more such self-care, makeup and fashion content. Also, if you like to watch such long-form review videos, fashion hauls and makeup tutorials, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Also, I will leave all the product details along with the links in the description box below, guys. You can definitely check them out. And that's it for today's video, guys. Until next time, bye bye.